How to log in to FireKirin. First of all, open the FireKirin game on your device. Once the game launches, you will see the account and password fields. Enter the account number you used to create your account in the account field and then type your password in the password field. Moreover, there is also a guest option if you want to play the game without creating an account. After entering your account credentials in the required fields, tap on the login button. Make sure your account number is correct and type your password carefully. The app will process your information and take you to the main game interface. If your credentials are correct, you will be successfully logged in and ready to start playing. Now you know how to log in to FireKirin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.